Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to change the fill color for different elements in your Google Drawings. So let's say I've got this text box and I don't want it to just be transparent. I want to make it look a lot nicer. Maybe it satisfies the conditions for some theme and I want it to all tie together. So I can select that text box, and if I go to Format and then Fill Color, I have a couple of different options. I can choose one of these colors, or I can custom make a color, or I can set it to just be transparent. Maybe I do want it to be transparent. Or I can click on Gradient and get some different kind of designs to play with. A gradient color fill basically means it's going to be a darker shade on either the left or right or on both sides, and then it will gradually lighten up or darken up as you get closer to the center of that element. So to give you an idea of what this might look like, let me just click one of these, and now you can see now it's got like orange on the sides, but it does sort of fade away in the middle, so it's a little bit less orange. It almost looks like it's trying to become transparent or something. But you can change these fill colors for different elements in Google Drawings and make them look really professionally done. It's just a really nice feature to use to make your drawings look really nice.